Today, we're diving into Google Veo 3.1. This is a game changer for creating vertical video.
But first, go ahead and hit that subscribe button below. You're not going to want to miss stuff like this.
All right, let's get into it. If you're a creator, you know all about the vertical video trap.
I mean, how many hours have you wasted fighting with awkward crops and losing video quality?
Yeah, it's this endless, frustrating cycle that just eats up your creative time every single week.
But what if you could break that cycle? Well, meet your new AI superpower.
This is Google's new Veo 3.1. It's an AI model that makes incredible video from just images and text. So what's new? Native vertical video, way better character consistency, and even 4K upscaling. It's huge.
And the best part? It's actually super simple. Let me just walk you through it real quick.
You just start with a reference image, write your prompt, and then pick the 916 format. That's it.
But here's where it gets really good. Let's talk about unlocking some serious pro-level consistency.
I mean, just look at the difference. You go from hours of editing to seconds of generation. This is a big deal. Your characters stay perfectly consistent across every single scene. No more weird changes. So what does all this really mean for your workflow? It's simple. Way more creating, way less editing. You can now create content that's made for YouTube Shorts or TikTok, and there's no quality loss.
Plus, your videos just look better. Veo 3.1 can upscale them to a really sharp 1080p. And if you really want to blow people away, you can even push it all the way up to 4K.
So where can you find this? It's rolling out on YouTube Shorts, Gemini, and a bunch of other places. And for transparency's sake, every video is marked with a digital watermark, so you'll always know it's AI. You know, the best tool is always the one that gives you back your time. And that's exactly what this does. So now that you can create better and faster than ever, what's the first story you're going to tell?